Starting a business is exciting until you realize you're making no money. Most entrepreneurs don't fail because they aren't smart. They fail because they make the same five deadly mistakes over and over. If you're tired of feeling stuck, keep watching because fixing even one of these mistakes could change your entire business. Most new entrepreneurs make the mistake of trying to do everything, posting on every social media platform, chasing every customer, and working nonstop. But here's the truth. Successful businesses don't start big, they start focused. When you try to do everything, you end up doing nothing well. Instead, start by mastering one platform, one audience, and one core product. Once you've dominated that, then expand. Most businesses fail before they even start because they create products nobody wants. They guess what people need instead of actually asking them. Before you launch anything, talk to your audience. What problems do they have? What solutions are they already paying for? If you get this part right, selling becomes easy. A weak brand is like showing up to a job interview in pajamas. If you don't look like a professional, nobody will take you seriously. Branding isn't just a logo, it's the first impression people get when they see your business. Think about your brand like a story. What do you stand for? What problem do you solve? The businesses that stand out are the ones that have a clear message, a consistent look, and an identity that customers trust. If you want to make sure your brand stands out and actually makes money, I put together a step-by-step guide called How to Build a Brand from the Ground Up. It walks you through everything from branding to building a customer base. Normally it's $7, but for those watching this video, you can grab it for just $3 with discount code BRAND2025. Click the link in the description before the deal expires. Here's the harsh truth. Great products don't sell themselves. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. Posting on Instagram isn't a marketing strategy. Successful entrepreneurs build a sales system, a way to attract customers, keep them engaged, and convert them into buyers. That's how you create predictable income. Most people quit before success even has a chance to happen. Overnight success is a myth. Every great business went through failures, setbacks, and struggles before they took off. If you can stay patient, keep learning, and adapt, your success is inevitable. The only way to lose is to give up. Now that you know what not to do, the next step is making sure you build a brand that stands out. Grab our How to Build a Brand from the Ground Up guide for just $3 with discount code BRAND2025 while it's available. Link is in the description. Start your crafting and working on your business today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with a friend or someone you may feel can benefit from this content. More business and brand tips coming your way. Peace.